Hey, what's up guys, welcome back with Anfas Ahamed. Today I am going to unbox and review a MacBook. This is the first MacBook in our studio. Let's go to the intro. Welcome back with Anfas Ahamed. This is a MacBook Pro with M1 processor, the Apple Silicon chip M1 processor with 512 SSD plus 16 GB RAM with the resolution of a display of 2560 by 1440 60 Hz display. This is made in China and assembled in California. This is a 13-inch MacBook Pro with touch bar. I think this will be the last generation for touch bars. They are going to stop touch bars. This is the 2020 version MacBook Pro. Now let's go to the unboxing by taking the MacBook Pro box. And guys, this is the box. First of all, we will take the box and go through the box. First, they have shown the MacBook Pro's a picture, and this side Apple logo, and this side MacBook Pro. And we will go to the back of the box. They have told 8 GB memory and 512 SSD, 13-inch Retina LCD backlight display with Tru-Tone technology, 2560 by 1600 pixels. There are 3 input ports. Those are 2 Thunderbolt 3s, that means USB 4s, and 1 headphone jack, and studio speakers, touch bar and touch ID. You can unlock very fast by using the touch ID, and it has a full-size Backlit Magic Keyboard, and it has a Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5 modules, and you can FaceTime HD in 720 pixels camera. And this has pre-installed macOS, and the size and the weight are, the size is 11.97 by 8.36 inches, and the weight is 3 points, that means 1.4 kilograms. And this is made up of aluminum body. In this box they include the MacBook Pro and the user guides and 2 stickers and a charging dock and the USB-C to USB-C cable. And now let's open the box. Here's the MacBook Pro 13-inch. I already picked this one. This is small, like a paper. Earlier it was like a polythene. Because of they want to recycle, they have changed into a paper-like material. Now let's throw it away, and we will keep the cover also in a side. This is the MacBook Pro 13-inch. And we have the charger. I think it's 2 meters long. USB-C to USB-C, 2 meters long charging cable. We'll keep this also aside, and we will take the, this is the user guide and the stickers they have included. First of all, they have the 2 space gray stickers. Let's keep these stickers and user guides aside. What else in the box? We have the charging dock. Don't confused, this is just a, this is the brick, and this is the, that is giving the power adapter. It's USB-C 60 watts. I think you can use this one to charge your phones. If it's iPhone 8 or newer phones, you can use for fast charging. I think so. You can fast charge using this dock. And now we will go to the MacBook Pro by keeping these aside. Now we will go through the MacBook Pro. There is the Apple logo here, and the 3.5 mm headphone or microphone jack, and in the front there is nothing. There is a small hunch to open the MacBook Pro, and there are 2 Thunderbolt ports, that means USB 4 ports. Then there are 4 rubber stickers, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 screws to open, but you can't upgrade this one because everything is attached to the motherboard. And there is a small hinge here because to release the heat of this, but according to the tech reviewers, they told, according to those testing, and this is the international model. Now we will open this. This has the function of instant opening. Now already it's on. You can see the MacBook Pro is on. If you click on the Apple logo in the left side and click on about this Mac, you can see the features. It has the Mac OS Big Sur and MacBook Pro 13-inch M1 2020 chip is Apple M1, RAM 8 GB RAM, and the serial number. And the display is built-in display 13-inch 2560 by 16000, and you can click using the touch bar here also. Storage 512 SSD, but it will give only 494 because of the hard drive facilities and support. You can use this support to learn about the MacBook Pro, how to use and services, about the Apple Care. Here I'll go through some tutorials of MacBooks. If you in Windows, it's in this side, the maximize, closing and minimize and those things, but here in the left side you can click like this. Again, if you go to here, you can go to settings by clicking system preference, and you can sign into Apple ID here, and general settings. And if you use a iPhone, you will be so familiar to these settings. Touch ID here, mouse, trackpad, keyboard, printer, sound, Bluetooth, software updates and backups, time machine, and you can switch off and switch on the Wi-Fi if you want here. And here is the control center, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, AirDrop. You can share the photos and videos very quick, not like Windows. You can share very fast using this AirDrop function. And don't disturb display brightness, and there is the Siri, but Siri is not available because I am not connected to the internet. You can select the language also here, and the date, like Windows Explorer. This is called the Finder. You can use in this one. Apple Store, and so many apps are there, so many free apps that are given by Apple. If you notice, there is a small issue in the display because of, now we will go through touch bar. This is the touch bar. There is a small arrow like here. You can control the display here, display brightness. This is the max display. It's very bright to our eyes, and if you go all the way down, this is the minimum. You can't see the display actually, it's all black. This is the limited, I think, and you can control the backlight. Now I will switch off my lightings, then you can see how the backlight goes through. We will switch off the light now. You can see I'll decrease the brightness of the display. You can control the backlight of the keyboard. You can see it's changing. This is the full brightness. You don't want to put the lights to see in the darkness. Now we will switch on the lights now, and you can see the brightness is automatically changing because of the Tru-Tone display. You can mute the sounds by here and increase the sound by here. Here you can see in the display it's changing, and we have the Siri. Siri is not available because of the I am not connected to. This is the escape key. In 2019 model, the escape key is not there because it's integrated to the touch bar and the fingerprint also. If you click on here, it will lock, and we will type the password again and enter. Now we will go to Google Chrome and go to 10 fast fingers to see how the keyboard. We will connect to the Wi-Fi by switch on the Wi-Fi. Start typing test. I will go typing test, how fast I can go through. My maximum is, it's only 35. Now we will type. It's 29 WPM, that means 29 words per minute. A small reminding, if you go to YouTube, search for Anfas Ahamed, click on subscribe and the bell icon to all, and go inside the Anfas Ahamed, and you can watch so many videos I have uploaded here. The world best headphones, Sony, iPhone SE, and if you want an iPhone 11, if you are an Apple fan, my latest tripod, UPS, hard drives, laptops, and I have created for so many playlists here. If you connect with me in social media, you can see here, and if you click in my picture, you can go to my websites, that is anfasahamed.com. All the links are in the description. You can check it out. You can find my gears in my website. And if you want to quit an application, if you press the red icon, it won't just close. You want to go to, there will be a small dot under the application. You can long press and press on quit, then it will be quite totally. Otherwise it will gain your battery low. According to my testing, 1 week with 100% charge, now the battery percentage is 49%. It's very fast than my Windows laptop. Now we will shut down. We'll shut down. It's shut downing. And thank you guys. Please subscribe, like and share. I'll put the recommended videos in the card here, and links and recommended videos are in the below description. You can see my GS also in the description. It's in my website anfasahamed.com. Please subscribe, like and share. We'll see in a new video. Peace.